The AI identifies the most captivating moments, so you don't have to spend hours editing. It's perfect for anyone looking to create content efficiently. If emails are a big part of your day, there's a tool that simplifies the process of writing and replying to emails. It's seamless and saves so much time for professionals who manage heavy correspondence. Now, let's talk about customer support. AI-powered chatbots can handle up to 70% of common customer queries in seconds. This means happier clients, more sales, and significant savings on support staff costs. How many times have you had to sift through long documents to find the information you need? With AI, you can simply ask questions, and the tool will extract the most relevant details for you. It's fast, easy, and helps you focus on what really matters. Imagine using AI to enhance your productivity with tools you already know, like Word or Excel. You can generate reports, analyze data, and even create stunning presentations in just a few clicks. If you're a Microsoft user, this could revolutionize the way you work. And finally, there's a tool that lets you design realistic images or enhance your photos with ease. Whether you're a professional designer or a business owner, this technology allows you to turn your ideas into visuals in seconds, eliminating the need for a full design team. Let's take a moment to talk about one of the most exciting applications of artificial intelligence today: content creation, and how it's helping people make money online like never before. Creating high-quality content used to take hours, whether it was writing blog posts, editing videos, or designing eye-catching visuals. But now, with the rise of AI tools, anyone can create professional-grade content quickly and efficiently, even without prior experience. For example, there are AI writing tools that can draft articles, social media posts, and even ad copy in seconds. For example, there are AI writing tools that can draft articles, social media posts, and even ad copy in seconds. They analyze your audience, tailor the tone, and ensure your content resonates with readers. This is a game changer for bloggers, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who want to produce more content without burning out. And it's not just text. AI-powered video editing tools allow creators to transform raw footage into polished videos. You can add subtitles, transitions, and effects automatically, making your content look like it was edited by a pro. Perfect for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, where quality content drives engagement and income. Did you know AI can even help you find the best performing keywords for SEO? That means your content isn't just high quality, it's also optimized to rank higher on search engines. This leads to more traffic, more clicks, and ultimately, more revenue for your business or blog. Another exciting trend is AI-assisted e-commerce. By using AI to generate compelling product descriptions or craft persuasive marketing emails, online store owners can improve their sales without hiring a full marketing team. Combine that with AI chatbots for customer support, and you've got a system that works for you 24/7. So, whether you're a content creator looking to scale up or an entrepreneur exploring new income streams, AI tools can help you save time, reduce costs, and maximize your earning potential. The future of online earning is here, and AI is the key to unlocking it. Try incorporating these tools into your workflow and watch the results speak for themselves. Thanks for tuning in. Keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next segment. So, there you have it. 7 AI tools that can save you time and help you achieve more. Try them out and let us know how they've impacted your life. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next video.